Good morning. Can you hear me, everyone?
Yeah, we can hear you.
So batch number here. $649, is it? WhatsApp group in the. Are you there in the WhatsApp group? You're there? In the connect group. You're there in the WhatsApp group? Group number is 649 and
Sir.
okay. Everyone able to see my screen?
Yeah, we can see.
Yeah. So let me prepare a sample table. On top of it, I'll tell you all the options how to use. So I'll be writing the shortcut keys for first couple of days. Later on, you have to do on your own. Okay. అర్థమవుతుందిగా? Okay, right. So how you'll enter a series of numbers? Serial number, how you're going to enter? Any idea? How you are going to enter a series of numbers? Any idea? Okay. Enter 1 and 2. Okay. You can select this 1 and 2 and you can drag. Okay. This is how we can enter a series of numbers. This is the first method. Second method. Hold control key on the keyboard. Hold control key, hold control key on the keyboard and drag it down. Okay, anything is fine. Hold the control key and drag it down. Enter 1 and drag it down. Okay, if you two methods, enter 1 and 2, just select 1 and 2, you can drag it down. This is the first method. Or if not, you can enter only 1. You can enter only 1, hold the control key on the keyboard, just drag it down. Okay. Next, I have to enter each and every name, so it will take a lot of time. So instead of entering each and every name, I'll try alphanumeric, name 1. Okay, name 1. I'll select that name 1 and drag it down. Okay. Instead of writing, I use this one. Alphanumeric, automatic just name 1, unique name 1, name 2, name 3, name 4, name 5, name 6. Right? Similarly, I'll drag it to horizontal wise. Instead of writing each and every subject name, what I'll do is I'll drag towards right. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 subjects. Right? So in this range, I have to fill with some random numbers. Okay, just a sample data name preparation. I'm preparing the sample data. Okay, I have to fill this with some random numbers. How many numbers I have to fill? 18. 18 into 6. 18 into 6. How many? 48. 128 numbers I have to fill now. How much time it will take to type? Right. So instead of typing, I'll use a formula. Okay, I'll use a formula. The formula name is rand between. Okay, rand between. The formula name is rand between is equal to, whenever you are writing in Excel any formula, it should starts with equal to. And when you start writing the name of that formula, you will be getting a drop down list like this. All the list of formulas, whenever you are writing any formula name, the list of formulas which are starting with that characters, you will be getting a drop down. Okay. Select that formula. Select that formula. Press tab. Press tab. Select that formula and press tab. It will auto complete the formula. It will enter into the formula. You need not to write the complete name. Okay. Once again, I'm repeating. Is equal to rand between. Select the formula with the help of arrow keys. There are 4 arrow keys: down, left, right, and up arrow. Okay. So select the formula. Here is a description. What is a description? Returns a random number between the numbers you specify. Okay. So what are the numbers we are specifying? Between those numbers, I'll be getting some random number. So no one knows what is the number is. Okay. So press tab. Here it is asking bottom and top. Okay. Bottom and top. Bottom take 50. Top take 100. Okay. So these are called as arguments here. Bottom value and top value. Okay. Bottom means smaller value. Top means the higher value you have to give. This is the set of range. So we are taking random numbers between these two numbers. 50 to 100 madhyalone manam we are generating some random numbers. Whatever the number it is going to pick, no one knows. Okay. So Mari, what is the use of this formula? No, there is no useful. This formula is not at all useful in our real time. Just for generating random numbers, I'll take this formula repeatedly. Okay. So I applied this formula. Okay. I applied this formula. I have to copy this formula to this range. Okay. So how to copy? Hello, can you hear me? Can you hear
Yes,
me?
we can.
Harpreet, can you hear me? Is my voice clear or any disturbance?
I can hear you well.
Manish can hear well. What about Harpreet and Jyoti? Can you hear me, guys? Clearly, just let me know.
Yes.
Harpreet, you're there? Harpreet Singh. Okay. Okay. I have this random number here. This random number I want to see here. It is generating some random number. It is not at all constant, you see. 79. Right? So I'm taking this formula. I want to copy to this range. Okay. First method, how to copy the formula towards downwards direction. Okay. So first, if there is any column beside, you can just click on the corner. The same thing, if you do it here, Control Z, I'm doing Control Z. The same thing, if you do it here, is there any adjacent column here? Any data is filled? Even if you double click, it won't work. Why? Why? Because the data is filled beside the adjacent column is filled. So it will automatically identify whenever you are clicking at the corner, wherever this got filled, till that range it is going to fill. అర్థమైందా?
Yes.
Right? So now if I click on here, it won't work. Why? Because there is no adjacent data. Here I have the data beside. So it will identify and it will fill till whatever the range this column is filled, till that range this is going to fill. Okay. And you can drag this towards right side. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. This formula copied towards downwards direction and towards rightwards direction. Okay. So I have done this with the help of keyboard mouse. Now, let me show you with the help of keyboard. Okay. Select the range till wherever you want to fill. So I have to select this column completely. Okay. I have to select this column completely. Then to copy this formula for the rest of the cells, you have to select. Okay. Control D, automatically it will fill this formula for the rest of the cells wherever you have selected. Control D. This is with the help of keyboard. Control plus D. Copy down. Okay. Whatever the formula I have in these cells, these formulas too should be copied towards right direction. First select 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Control R. Copy right. Okay. Control R. Copy right. Okay. Control D is for copy down. Control R is for copy right. Right. So now the next thing. I applied, what is the formula name? Can anyone tell me what is the formula name?
And between.
Ran between. Okay. If you do any actions on the sheet, okay, just see on everyone onto the screen, please. Whenever I'm doing any action, an action in sheet మీద perform చేస్తే, the values are changing. Yes. Okay. Why? Because it's the nature of the ran between formula. Whenever you are doing any action in the sheet, it will change. Okay. So ran between formula, what does it do? Ran between. Okay, ran between formula will change the values, will change when you do any action across the workbook. Okay, right? So to fix that, to fix the values, that means to fix the values. Okay, select the range. Select the range where you applied ran between. Where have I applied ran between? Okay, this is the range I applied ran between. Control C. Okay, you can see the formula at the top, formula bar.
Yes.
Okay, whenever you have the formula, the value will change. Okay, Control C. What I'm doing, Control C. What is Control C will do, everyone?
Copy.
Control plus C is to copy.
Yes.
Okay. So while pasting, I have to do paste values. So while copying, it will copy everything. It will copy formats, it will copy borders, it will copy background color, it will copy the formula, everything it is going to copy. But while pasting, I have to paste only the values, not the formula. Malli, if you're keeping, again, if you're keeping the formula, if you're pasting the formula, the values will change again. Why? Because it's the nature of ran between form. Okay, clear? Any questions? Okay, so how to paste values? Control C is for copy immediately. Okay, even when you're writing automation scripting or when you're doing, you have to, once you copied the data, you have to immediately do paste. In between, if you're doing anything, it will go off. Okay, Control C. Where is paste values then?
Control V.
Control V is only for paste, right? So can you see here paste in home tab? In home tab, you can see paste. Here you
Yes.
have paste values here, paste values. Can you see here? Okay. So if I remove the cursor, you can see the formula here. You can see. If I put the cursor, the formula is going off. Can you see? Okay. So if you do this, paste values, there will be no formula. Now, no formula means it will not change the values. Okay. So to paste values, what is a shortcut key? Paste values Alt H V plus V. 2 times you have to press. Okay. Again, I'm doing, you can see. $50, 100. I've selected the range, enter. Control D means copy down. Okay. Control R means copy right. Control C means copy. Alt. I'm entering into home tab. H for home tab. V for paste. You can see here. V for paste. Again, V for values. Okay. So first you have to prepare this data. So to make familiarize, with the keyboard, you have to do all these practices day-to-day basis. Okay. 1 hour, spare 1 hour, that is more than enough. Just you will not forget the subject. That's it. Okay. Now, right. So now we are entering into actual shortcut keys. Okay. Shortcut keys now. Okay. Now we are going to start only the home tab shortcut keys. Only the home tab shortcut keys. So until I complete home tab, your shortcut key, your shortcut keys will start with, okay, Alt plus H is the starting one. Okay. Now, how you select the heading? How you are going to select the heading? From A1 to H1, how you are going to select the heading? Heading ఎలా select చేసుకుంటారు? ఇప్పుడు I have selected this heading with the help of mouse, with the help of keyboard. How you are going to select? Okay. Now see here. When I hold control key, if I press down arrow, it is going to select the last used cell. కింది సైడ్ ఏదైతే లాస్ట్ యూజ్ చేసినామో ఆ సెల్ వరకు వెళ్ళిపోతుంది. ఓకే, కంట్రోల్ డౌన్ arrow, control right arrow, last used cell towards rightwards direction. Control up arrow, the last used cell towards upside. Okay, control left arrow, last used cell towards left side. Okay, if you're holding control key and if you're pressing arrow keys means ఏదైతే లాస్ట్ సెల్ ఉందో అక్కడ వరకు వెళ్ళిపోతుంది, రైట్? Yeah, so if you use control shift down arrow, it will select from the beginning to the end of the cell. Okay, from the beginning cell where you have selected till end of that cell, last cell used, it is going to select in that direction. If you are using control plus shift and the arrow, control shift right arrow means okay, control shift down arrow, selection from the beginning cell to last used, control shift right arrow towards the rightwards direction. Okay, clear? Right. So now I'm on empty cell. I'm on empty cell. If I'm using control plus A, what is happening? Whole sheet is selected. But if you want to select this table completely, okay, put your cursor on the data. Control A. Okay, so you can use control shift down arrow, right arrow to select the table, or you can put your cursor on the data, just press control A. Done. Next, now I want to select the heading. I put my cursor on the serial number, control shift right arrow to select the heading. Okay, I want to make the text bold. Everyone knows control B. Okay, or just do alt H. What is this? 1. Press 1 on the keyboard. Okay, alt H 1 for bold. Okay. Now selecting the heading. Alt H, 2 for two. What is this two? 2 for italic. Okay. 2 for italic. You can see here. Control I. 2 for italic. Alt H. What is this? The next number? 3.
Underline.
Okay. 3 is underline. If you press 3, there will be two options. Okay. There will be two options. One is U, second one is D. Okay. If you press U, you got single underline. You can see here. So if you want double underline, you have to press Alt H3 D. Okay. Next one. I want to apply background color. Background color. Alt H. What is this? What is this? H. Okay. H. It will give you the drop down. With the help of arrow keys, you can select the color. Okay. Any color from this. Enter. Background color. If you want to change the font color, what is the shortcut key? Alt H is common here again. Alt H is common. FC. What is it? FC? FC for Alt H. FC for okay. FC for font color. Next, if you want to increase the font size, number, you can select the number. Alt H. What is this? At the top, you can see what is this? FS, font size. FS, font size. It will select from the down arrow. Press the down arrow. You can select the number. Okay. Next, if you don't want to select the number, I just want to increase by 1 or 2 steps, from the existing number. Now it is 14. Alt H, what is this? FG. If you press FG, increase the font. From 14, it jumped to 16. Okay. FG, increase font. FK. FK, decrease the font. Now it is 16, right? See here. Now the font size is 16. I want to decrease. Alt H. You can select the number or you can select FK. So now it became 14. Okay. The next one is, what is this? Next one, what is this? This is font face. Okay, font face. Alt H FF. Okay, from the down arrow, you can select. This is the latest O365. Mostly in your 1920, you will be having Calibri heading or Calibri body. Okay, so you can select that one, or here you can select see Aptos display or light display. All these are different types of headings. Sorry, headings like font styles. You can see at the top, it is changing. See. Okay. Mostly we use the first two one earlier. Okay, go with that two only. Aptos, narrow or Aptos. Yeah, font face. Now I want to apply the borders for the table. What I have to do now? All borders. How to apply borders? How to select the table? How will select the table? ఇప్పుడే చెప్పాను. Click on the cell. Yes. Control A. Yes. Okay. Control A. Alt. Okay. All the tabs will be highlighted. I want to enter into home tab. Under home tab, B for borders. Borders. In borders, I have these many styles. But only we use what is that? All borders. Where is that? What is the shortcut key for all borders? A. Okay. So B for borders and A for all borders. Okay, clear? అర్థమవుతుందా? Next, we'll jump into alignments. Next, alignments. What are alignments? Alignments are when you are entering, if you see, whenever you are entering, see these numbers are towards right direction, text are on the leftwards direction. So it's a nature of Excel. Whenever you enter any text, it will move towards left, and whenever you enter any number, it will move towards right. The default alignment of text is left side. The default alignment when you are entering number is towards right side. Okay, so I want to align it properly. Okay, there are two types of alignments: horizontal alignment and vertical alignment. Okay, horizontal means left, right, and center. Okay, vertical means top, bottom, middle. Okay, horizontal and left, right, center, top, bottom, middle. So now first we'll see horizontal alignment. Control A, Alt H. This is horizontal alignment, and at the top you see vertical alignment. AL, align left. Okay, so Control A, Alt H, AC, align center. Alt H, AR. Monster. AR, align right. Confusing. Amen. Not control, Alt H. Okay, see, ఇదిగో చూడు Alt. చూసిన Alt H. A L left. Okay, అన్ని కీస్ హోల్డ్ చేయడానికి మన ఫింగర్స్ కూడా ఎలివేటెడ్. ఓకే, సో సీక్వెన్స్ Alt H A C center, Alt H A R right. Okay, sequence. Right. Next, we have vertical alignment. ఓకే, వీటిని హారిజంటల్ అంటారు, లెఫ్ట్ రైట్ అండ్ సెంటర్. వర్టికల్ అలైన్మెంట్, సో వర్టికల్ అలైన్మెంట్ మీన్స్ టాప్ బాటమ్ అండ్ సెంటర్. ఓకే, చూడండి. సో కెన్ యూ సీ ద కంటెంట్ ఎవ్రీవన్? కెన్ యూ సీ ద కంటెంట్? హైట్ పెద్దగా చిన్నగా ఉందా? ఏమన్నా కంటెంట్ సైజ్ బట్టి ఫిక్స్డ్గా ఉందా? The content size is fixed or it is above the content size or below the content size? Let's do vertical alignment. Okay, Alt H, what is this? AT. AT means align top. AT. Can you see align top? Align top కనిపిస్తుందా?
Yes.
ఎక్కడ కనిపిస్తుంది? Where? Can you see align top? కనిపిస్తుందా?
It is already
See, I'm selecting.
1, 2.
Okay, Alt H AT, AT align top అంటే సెల్లులో మీదికి వెళ్ళాలి. వెళ్ళిందా?
No, it's still there.
It is, the content is fixed. The content
Yeah.
is fixed as per the size of the row. Okay, content ఎంత ఉందో రో సైజ్ కూడా అంతే ఉంది. ఓకే, సో అందుకు you can't see the top alignment. When I increase the height of the row, ఇప్పుడు చూడండి, Alt H A T, Alt H A M, Alt H A B. Okay, అర్థమైందా? So whenever your height of the row is fixed as per the content బట్టి height ఉంటే మీకు కనిపించదు. Okay, but if you increase the height of the row, you can see, okay, what the alignment is: top, middle, bottom. Okay, so understood? Any questions? Yes?
No, no.
AT align top, AM align middle, AB align bottom. Okay, next one is called orientation. Text orientation means changing the direction of the text. Text orientation, changing the direction of the cell and the content. Only used for heading. Don't go for all the cells. Only for heading. Okay, when the text is too much long, you can align in a direction where you can see all the content in that heading. Okay, heading పెద్దగా ఉంటే 2 lines 3 lines ఉన్నప్పుడు you can adjust that actually. Okay, Alt H, what is this? FQ. FQ is nothing but text orientation. What is the first one? Angle counterclockwise. If you press O, it will change the direction of the heading. Okay, Alt H F Q L, angle clockwise. Alt H F Q V. V means vertical text. ఇక్కడ కనిపిస్తుంది, ఇక్కడ direction. Alt H F Q. If you go for M, what is M? This is the direction of whatever the direction you want to change, you can change. Okay, if you put 90 here, okay, if you put 0 here, okay, so if you want to customize your alignments, you can change the direction whatever you want. Okay, అర్థమైందా? Right? All these are options, existing options. ఇంకా ఎక్కువ కావాలంటే just go to here. They gave only this is the direction. So whatever you want, you can select from here. Clear? FQ. Next. Next, merge options we'll see. I'm going to a new sheet. What is merge? Merge అంటే couple of, two or more than. Okay, merging. Alt H M for merge. Alt H M for merge. In that merge, there are multiple options. Okay, M, C. Okay, MC. I'm applying a border. Okay, this is merge and center. Alt plus H plus M plus C. Okay, merge and center. So it will merge the cells, and if you put any content in that, it will align to the center. That will merge, and the alignment will be at the center. Alt H M A. Okay, this is called merge across. Okay, merge across. The shortcut key is Alt plus H plus M plus A. This is merge cells. The shortcut key is Alt plus H plus M plus M. Merge cells. Okay. What is the difference between the first one and the third one? First one is correct. First one is at the center. First one is at the center. Second one is at the leftmost side. Okay. Okay. Middle లోకి రావాలంటేనా Alt H A T align top. Alt H A M align middle. Okay, so you can see all the directions here. Okay, A L A M or A C or A R A B A T. Okay, so whatever the direction you want, you can put. Okay, unmerge means Alt H M U. Unmerge. Okay, don't put the content and merge. First merge, then put the content in the merge cells. Okay, Alt H M C. Alt H M M. Okay, so next one, in merge we'll do one exercise. Okay, just let me prepare an exercise for you. Okay, now మీరు చేయాలి. Okay, what I have done, you have to identify, you have to do it. మానస చేస్తావా? Right. So now here, I'm writing a name, Excel. It should come at the top of the cell. How? చెప్పండి. It should come at the top of the cell. What shortcut key I have to use? చెప్పాలి. AT. Okay. Alt plus H plus AT. It will go at the top. Okay. At this same cell, in the same cell, next line, I want to write Microsoft. Same cell, next line, I want to write something. Down arrow. Enter. Online people, come on. In the same cell,
Yes.
next line.
Right. If you want to write on the right side, then right arrow.
No, here, see.
In the same box, like beside Excel.
The same box, in the same box, first line I wrote, in the second line, I want to write something, anything.
Control Shift. No?
Alt, enter.
Okay.
Okay. Alt, enter will, what it will do? You can write the text in the same cell in the next line.
Okay.
Okay. Like that, if you go on keeping alt, enter, it will go to the next lines. Alt plus enter. Okay.
Okay.
Next. I want to get a date here. Date. What is the short? Control semicolon. It will give you current date. That means today's date. Okay. Next. Time. Control shift semicolon. Okay. Next, you have some other particulars you can write, invoice number, something. Okay. You can add anything. Here you can write particulars, the price, the cost, and the total. See price and quantity and the total amount. Okay. Alt H, A, M,
M.
middle.
Yes.
Alt H, FS font size, I want to decrease to 8. Okay. And I want to make it bold. Alt H, 1 for bold. Okay. Alt H, 2 for italic. Okay. Try to prepare this one. Okay. If you want to print, just go to Control P, it will show you. Control P is for print. The next option is wrap text. Wrap text. Okay. What is the use of wrap text? Any idea? Wrap text. Okay. So this is my name here. Okay. Raku. This is my name. Okay. So if I do Alt H W, W means wrap text. See here, wrap extra long text into multiple lines so you can see all of it. Okay. ఇది border cross అవుతుందా? Cell border cross అవుతుందా? Right? So it will not increase the width of the cell, it will increase the height of the cell. Alt H W. Alt H W. నాకు ఒకటే సెల్ కనిపించాలి, సెల్ క్రాస్ అవ్వద్దు అంటే ఆల్ట్ హెచ్ డబ్ల్యూ. wrap text అంటే it will not increase the width. Alt H again, if you do W, unwrap. Okay. Alt H W, wrap text. Alt H W, unwrap the text. Okay. So for column you have at the top, you can see what is it is increasing? Width. For column you have width. Okay. For columns you have width. For rows you have height. Okay. For rows you have height. For columns you have width. Next, this is called increase indent and decrease indent. What is indent? Do you have any idea? Paragraph రాసే బదులు ఒక స్పేస్ ఇచ్చి paragraph ఇక్కడ start చేస్తారు. When if you see the books, when they're starting the paragraph, they will leave one space and they'll start writing the paragraph, right? Actually, that is called indent in Word documents. But here, if the lines, if the numbers are touching the corner when you're taking printouts, the ink might, touch to the border. So to give a space, okay, you can increase a space ahead. Okay. 6, it will move aside. Alt H6, it will move aside. It will allow one space after one space. Okay. This is just an option, but in real world, it is not at all useful. Okay. Alt H5 to decrease. Okay. Alt H6 to increase indent. Okay. Alt H5, Alt H6. Just give me 2 minutes here.
Mm.
So next one here. Okay, till we have seen orientation. Till this we have completed. Next one is we'll see the number formats. Same key, same key. Wrap, unwrap,
Huh?
same.
ऐसे मतलब तो रेस मारा
So next we'll move to the number
ये
formats.
अभी किधर का दाखिल थे फिर डबल
Number formats. Number formats. Number formats means number formats ante idea on the number formats. Any idea, online people? What is number formats? Number formats. What is number formats? See, one number can be in different formats here. One number, numerical number, decimal number, a number can be in text format. Okay, so in Excel, percentage format, decimal format, okay, time format, date format. So we will see how in Excel is taking these formats. Okay, ఏ ఫార్మాట్ ఎక్సెల్ తీసుకుంటుంది అర్థం చేసుకుంటుంది మనం చూద్దాం. ఓకే, సో మనకు అర్థం కావడానికి ఐమ్ టేకింగ్ సమ్ బేసిక్ నెంబర్స్. Some basic numbers. Okay, 1 to 10. I'm taking 1 to 10. Right. So whenever you enter any numbers, or any text manually, that will be in which format? General format. General. Whenever you enter anything, it will be taken in general format. Okay. Right. Okay. Right. General format. Next. These numbers can be changed to decimal format as well. When you can select this one, Alt H, what is this option? N. Okay, N. See here, N. Now, if you change the general format to number format, by default, you will be getting decimals. 2 decimals. Number format. Okay, simple numbers ni number format lo ganaka change cheste, you will be getting 2 decimals. Okay. Same numbers if you want to convert to currency styles, Alt H N. Okay, currency styles. Okay, చూడండి, currency style ఉంటది ఈ ఫార్మాట్ ఉంటది కంపల్సరీ. Right, so this is currency style. If you want to add currency symbol, that is called currency style. A number can be in these many formats. Okay, ఒకటి general format, one is second one is decimal format, that is nothing but number format. Next one is currency format. So currency format. Next one, accounting form. Can you see the difference between what will this the difference between currency and accounting here? Exactly. That is the only the difference you see here. The symbol and the number are together in currency styles. In accounting styles, you see the gap between the number and the currency symbol. That is accounting style. Okay. If you are working for some other country, will you get that symbols in Excel? You are going to Germany. Update under. You are going for Germany. What is the currency there? Euro. Let's see. Okay. So what is this called as? Accounting number format. Alt H. What is the shortcut key? AN. So if you press AN, okay, you'll get dollars. Okay. Under that Alt H AN, you have pounds. Okay. Alt H AN, euros. Alt H AN, Chinese. Switzerland, French. Okay. Alt H AN, if you're working for some other UAE, Europe, United Arab countries, okay, Kuwait, or there are many Arab countries, right? Okay, for those countries, if you go here, you have all the country currency styles. Alt H AN. Qatar. Okay. Qatar. So there, whatever the country you are working in, you can put that currency styles. A country current a country. This is the option. Okay, rupee, dollars, pounds, euros, Chinese. If you go to more accounting format, here you have all the country currencies. Okay. Next one. ఇది కొంచెం ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్ ఉంటుంది. So in Excel, a number can be converted to a date format and our date can be converted to a number format. Okay. So in Excel, a number can be converted to date and our date can be converted to number format. Okay. అర్థమైందని చెప్పి. All these are numbers, right? All these are numbers in general format or any format, any number format or anything. Okay. So these numbers I can convert into date format. How they are converting? Okay. So all these are numbers. I told you, right? In Excel, a number can be converted to a date and a date can be converted to a number format. So this is a general, which is numbers. I am converting these numbers to date format so that we can compare. Okay. Compare చేయడానికి use of the nice wrote side by side. Changing into short date. Okay. Right. So whenever you are working on any data, if the heading is date, below if you see numbers, you have to change that to date format. How you can change? Select that column, change it to short date. Automatically those will be converted to date format. Okay. ఏదైనా డేటా మీద వర్క్ చేసినప్పుడు హెడ్డింగ్ డేట్ అని ఉంటుంది, హెడ్డింగ్ డేట్ అని ఉంటుంది. బట్ బిలో యు సీ నెంబర్స్ ఉంటుంది. ఓకే. డేట్ అని ఉంది బట్ డేట్ కనిపించలేదు, నాకు నెంబర్స్ కనిపిస్తున్నాయి, కన్ఫ్యూజ్ కావాలి. ఓకే. Select these numbers, change these numbers to short date, automatically it will convert to date. Okay. How these are converting? ఎలా కన్వర్ట్ అవుతుంది? Okay. By default in Microsoft, the dates are starting from 1900. Okay. For numeric 1, it is 1/1/1900. For numeric 2, it is second day from 1900. Third day from 1900. Fourth day from 1900. Fifth day from 1900. Sixth day from 1900. 10th day from 1900. If I put 100, for 100 I will be getting 100th day from 1900. It will calculate 3 months at 90 days plus 10 days at 100 days student, fourth. Same year. Okay. Same. If I put 1000th day from 1900. 10,000. I'll be getting 10,000th day from 1900. 20,000. 20,000th day from 1900. 30,000. 30,000th day from 1900. 40,000. 40,000th from 1900. 50,000. 50,000th from 1900. It is 2036. We already crossed. Okay. 2936. Right. So similarly, for today's date also there will be a number starting from 1900. అవునా కదా? చెప్పండి. Okay. For each and every number there is a date. How it is calculating? Starting from 1900. Okay. You can see here, first day, second day, third day, 100th day, 1,000th day from 1900. 10,000th day, 20,000th day, 30,000th day, 40,000th day, 50,000. Okay. What is control semicolon? today's date. Can I convert these to general format? Date to general format. What I'll be getting? Okay. What is this number? Starting from 1900 till today, we are done with 45,664 days. So this is how dates are going to calculate in Microsoft Excel. Okay. So in Excel, a date is a number and number can be converted to a date format. A number can be converted to a date and a date can be converted to a number format. Okay. Online people, you're getting this dates. 3rd day, 4th day, 5th day, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th. Okay. Similarly, how these numbers are changing to date format, the date also can be converted to number format. I have done today's date. I have taken today's date, converted to a general format so that I'll be getting a number. What is that number denotes? Starting from 1900 till today, we are done 45,664 days. Okay. Only dates. అన్ని ఎక్సెల్ మొత్తానికి everything will start from 19. Okay, clear? Any questions, online people? Patil sir, Manoj, Mahesh, Snehita, Jyoti and Harpreet, any questions here?
No, sir, we are good.
Good. Okay, so I'm closing the session for now. Tomorrow same time by 9:40 we will start the session again. While coming, I'm facing a lot of traffic problem here. If I might get delayed, I'll inform in the group. Okay, but I'm starting early. Some days, sometimes it happens. Okay, so let me know if you're having any issues with that. Okay, thank you. See you tomorrow same time.